Yo, what's going on? This is your boy, your sports Dr. Spock, Mickey Coleman, coming at you with another one. This is a very interesting video coming out of Ann Arbor, Michigan. When you say in court, send me to jail, please, this is one way you do it. Let's check this shit out.
Next, we're in district court in Ann Arbor, Michigan. 36-year-old Anthony Lane is before Judge Cedric Simpson for a virtual conference. 6 months earlier, Lane was charged with 1 count of possessing methamphetamine or ecstasy and 1 count of possessing a narcotic, cocaine or heroin. Today,
boy, the party is with Anthony Lane. He can get you whatever you need. Ecstasy, all kinds of Oxycontins, everything you need.
Lane is requesting to waive his right to a probable cause hearing, have his case sent straight to circuit court.
Mr. Lane, please state your name for the court.
Anthony Lane.
Good morning, sir.
How you doing?
A waiver for continued plea negotiations and resolution in circuit.
You understand you'll not have that hearing and you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution?
Yes, sir.
Everything seems to be going as planned until the judge asked the prosecutor if he also agrees to waive the probable cause hearing.
Okay.
People also waive their right?
Your Honor, I'll agree to waive, but I do want to make a statement on the record. It appeared that earlier in this time block that Mr. Lane was rolling a blunt and might have been smoking.
He looked like, what? Me? No, not me. Then the other dude just snitched on him too. God. Can't even blaze one right before court no more.
Earlier that day, while Lane waited in the virtual courtroom,
Damn, they
he
got
decided
him
to have a smoke.
Oh, no. Oh, no, they got him rolling.
Another defendant waiting for the judge did a double take when he knew what Lane was up to. While recreational marijuana use is legal in Michigan, Lane is out on bond and strictly prohibited from taking any drugs or controlled substances. Lane looked cautiously out the vehicle's window, but paid no attention to the phone in front of him that was broadcasting what he was doing, not only on the internet, but directly to the court.
Oh, no, they got him talking.
He continued smoking during the session and flaunted the blunt up close while Judge Simpson was handling other cases. Court staff took notice and informed the prosecutor.
Your Honor, given that information, I guess we need to adjourn the PCC so Mr. Lane and I can speak.
Damn, I mean, did he forget he was on the phone with court? He was in a Zoom meeting or however they do it in court? Damn, this is fucked up. Let's go
further before we wait.
Yeah. I think that might be wise. Mr. Lane, you understand what's happening now?
Yeah.
Damn.
As part of his bond conditions, Lane is also supposed to be taking regular drug tests.
When's the last time you tested?
2 weeks ago.
You were supposed to be testing 2 times per week.
I tested back to back.
Okay, but have you tested this week?
No, sir.
I'm also going to order that you're to report to Community Corrections today for a test.
Your Honor, I have no ride today.
Well, you better find somebody to get you a ride down here. I'm ordering a test. You're the one that brought this on yourself by what you did. So,
Judge, why even waste time asking this dude to take a drug test where he just smoked right in front of you? Why even do that to the dude? I'm just saying, Judge.
So I'm ordering a test today.
For what?
Test today. I'm going to be issuing a warrant to have you picked up.
Oh, shit.
But as the judge moves on, Lane lingers on the call and lets out a laugh.
Well, you keep laughing, Mr. Lane. I don't think you want to do that. Not with me. You better take your.
Judge, you gotta understand, when you blaze, that you can obviously tell my brother is very high. Shit that don't usually be funny is funny. Give my man a break. Damn.
Take yourself off before you think things are too funny. Thank you.
I wasn't laughing at you, sir. I wasn't laughing at you, sir.
He's still kind of laughing right there.
Thank you. Court calls case, People versus Chandler Langston.
Hey, this is messed up. Hopefully this brother who I think minor drug charges for people to be losing their freedom over is kind of messed up, especially non-violent ones. I don't know if he has a violent past or what, but he just when you have shit to do, maybe the blazing it up can wait until you have your court appearance, because now I'm sure they did revoke my man's bond and everything due to this, and now he has to probably end up going to jail. So what y'all think about this story? It's about a year old, out of Ann Arbor, Michigan. And it's funny because Ann Arbor, even before weed was really legal in this state, had the biggest 420 parties on April 20th. Every year in downtown Ann Arbor, called the Hash Bash. One of the biggest weed festivals, I know, in this state. Probably one of the bigger in the world, when the shit was pretty much illegal in this state. Now, marijuana is still federally illegal, but I believe in probably more than half the states is legal now to use recreational marijuana, but you can't really do it if you on probation, and it states, specifically that you shouldn't be doing it. And he had a bunch of possession charges for all kinds of drugs. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this video. This is your boy, the Sports Dr. Spock, Mickey Coleman, and I am gone for now. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'm gone.